Howdy and welcome to my channel today. In this video we're going to make some worm composting tea. Now I've been wanting to try this for decades, but since I started gardening, never got around to it. And I've heard a lot of reviews online, people saying that it's the best thing to use. If you ever use it, you never use anything else, especially if you do organic gardening. And if that's so it'll be the only thing I use from now on. So I get tired of going to the stores looking for organic fertilizer that I always use, and I run out, especially when you always need it. And you go looking for it and you can't find it and you don't have it, or they then added $5 to the price of it. So I'm gonna start trying to use organic compost tea fertilizer, and if it works out, it's gonna be the only thing I use from now on. So let's get started in this video. Show you how I'm gonna make mine. The water here that I'm using, this is just spraying to keep the bugs, keep anything from falling in it. This only has 2 gallons in it, so I'm only gonna make 2 gallons right now. This is water right out of the sink that I put in here. It's been sitting out on the porch for 3 weeks, so it's well dechlorinated. But now this right here, this is a 100 mesh bag. This is the only bag I had, so this is what I found that I had laying around. So I'm going to use this bag to put the worm castings in. Make it. Now I don't know exactly how much you should be using, but I'm going to use. I have this plastic cup here, or container. It says 5.5 ounces. I'm going to fill it up twice, pour it in here. That should be more than enough to fill up this thing in for 2 gallons of water. And how good that's going to work. Maybe that's enough, or maybe that's overkill. I don't know. But I'm hoping it should be more than enough. Alright. Have this in there now. Tie this off. Hopefully it'll work. Now I'm going to take this. I had a piece of wood, somewhere. Hold on. Alright, this should work. Now, that didn't reach the water, just barely the bottom of the bag touched the water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this chain, this hook, this chain. I'm going to hang this bag through here. Well, I say I am. Now this should be enough to let it hang down, dangle down in the water. Oh yeah, it's under the water now. Now I'm gonna let this sit. Let it hang from this down in the water. We're going to let it sit here overnight. It's trying to float off. Now, I have an aerator here, a line we're going to put down here. This ain't aquarium hose, but this is just some hose I had to use for my water lines for my plants sometimes. I have a small air stone on it. And put this down here and let it aerate the water. Let this go. Plug it in over here. We're gonna let this work. Line ain't wanting to straighten out. Get this line straightened out down in there. Now, got that going down in there. I'm gonna let this sit. Let that sit overnight and see what it does. Hopefully this thing will be tomorrow afternoon sometime be ready. We can use it for compost tea to fertilize our plants with. This works out. This will be the only thing I'll use from now on. So wait till tomorrow and see how it works. Alright, it's the next day. What we're going to try to do is I'm going to take this out. It's worked off most of it, washed it out. You can see this stuff's pretty dark. I don't know what to do with this. Just put it over here in this thing right now. Get rid of that. Now I'm going to take this. See how dark it is. How rich this stuff is now. Try to put it into these gallon milk jugs here that I have sitting right here. Work it off a little. Use this metal funnel with a 2-liter Pepsi bottle here. Fill up these milk jugs so we'll have it this week to water the peppers and stuff that we're growing. Got that one full. Let's see if we can fill this one up too. Should be right at 2 gallons here that I had. Now some of the water evaporated, sitting out for about 3 weeks when I was sitting on the back porch. Mud. Made almost 2 gallons. What I had put in there. So. Now. Now we have 2 gallons right here. Worm compost tea. Hopefully this lasts for a little while. I know you're usually supposed to use it as you make it, but I'm not going to use this 2 gallons for just one time right now for the pepper plants I have. Seedlings growing, but this will last for a little while. Hopefully this will work out and not just be the only thing I use anymore. Well, I guess that'd be it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.